Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks so much for clicking that subscribe button if you're a new subscriber. And of course, if you have not clicked the subscribe button yet, it's not too late. You can go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. So I've seen that since my last video I have gotten a lot of new subscribers, and I wanted to just kind of get personal now, because I feel like since a lot of you guys are coming over to my channel, I wanted you guys to really get to know me, the person. So it's Sunday. I wanted to do a chill kind of video, something chatty, so that you guys can get a little bit more familiar with me. You guys are going to be seeing this on Monday, so it's going to be the day after, but I'm still on that chill kind of vibe. I'm still on to something fun, alright? So today I'm going to be sharing my very first story time video. I'm going to switch it up a little bit, and today I'm going to tell you guys a little story. Yeah, I'm not really big on stories. I would really say my life is like exciting, or I have a lot of shit going on. I don't. But you know, from time to time I might have stories. But if you guys want story time videos, let me know in the comment section below, and I will see what kind of stories I can tell you guys from my life. So it's not a long story at all. It's very short, but it's very personal and dear to my heart, guys. I've never told this to anybody. I never told it to my parents. I probably told a couple friends once or so, but I've never really shared it with anybody like that, you know. So today, guys, feels special because this is so embarrassing, and even though it happened to me when I was very young, I'm still embarrassed as hell. So while you're at it, follow me on my social media sites, my Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat and Twitter. My links will be in the description bar below, and you can also see the names right up here. So go ahead and follow me on those right now to keep up with my craziness. Yeah guys, so let's get into this story time right quick. Alright guys, so I know probably somebody will ask in the comments, so before I get started, let me just say the link to this wig is in the description bar. The link to the review, I have it already. I've done a review on this wig. It's the Melody Susie unit, one of my favorite wigs ever. I'm gonna have the link for you guys in the description bar, and you can also check it out on your screen as well. Alright, so today's story is a very old story, I would say. So this took place like a while back. I mean, I was very young, but at the same time it was very embarrassing still, you know. Sometimes when you're young you don't really have shame, so I'm calling, but I was embarrassed, guys. I was utterly embarrassed, like embarrassed to the point where I wanted to cry my eyes out. But at the time when it happened, I was in public, so you don't know, you have to keep your composure till you reach home. Alright, so the story started off like this, right? I was in about 3rd grade or 4th grade, and I had extra lessons. So I don't know if you guys know how it goes. I don't know if they have extra lessons in the US or whatever, but basically sometimes your parents would pay for you to stay at school for some extra hours to get special time with the teacher, you know. Not that I needed it, but you know, that's how my parents are. I always did extra lessons every grade. They made sure so that I was always on top of everything. So not everybody could afford extra lessons. I used to go to Harborview Primary School. That's when I was living in Kingston. So I used to go to Harborview Primary, and not all my friends could afford extra lessons. So so I was one of the few. And then that means that you'd have to stay back when school had already ended and everybody had gone home. So I was there going home, right? Extra lessons were over. I was walking by myself on Martello Drive going home. Got to the bus stop, and at this point it's late. Everybody's coming home from work and whatever. All school kids who have had extra lessons or whatever, they'll be going home now. So it's still kind of crowded, and it's still hard to get a bus. If you're in Jamaica and you know the JUTC bus system, then you know how difficult it really is. But I was basically waiting for a bus for a long time. So the bus finally came now. I went onto the bus. So guys, when I got on the bus, everybody was standing. It was that kind of situation. Everybody was standing. It was packed. I barely found space to get onto the bus, for the bus door to close. It was horrible. Anyways, I paid my fare to the doctress because it was a female conductor. I paid her my fare, and I proceeded to go to the front of the bus or the middle of the bus, because I hate being at the back, because when more people come onto the bus, it's going to be a lot more crowded around there, and I'm the type of person like this. If I want to get off, I just want to get off, and I'm a big claustrophobic, so I hate the back of the bus. I try to make it to the middle of the bus, right? So on my way going up to the front, I saw an empty seat. So I don't don't know if I was naive. I'd say, looking back at it now, I think I was naive. I don't think I was thinking about the situation or thinking all the way through. Maybe that was the problem. So guys, I saw these empty seats. I was like, and I saw everybody standing, so I'm like, wait, like why nobody no want the seats here? So I said maybe they just want to stand, you know, maybe they're just already into standing and they just can't bother to take the seats. So without looking or anything, I went ahead and I rushed over, like I literally run past people, I passed them, I pushed past them for to sit down in the seat, right? So I finally sat in the seat and I was there for probably about 5 minutes. I was so tired. I wasn't focused on anything except getting home and eating some food because I was hungry as hell. So I was just there, you know, you're a kid, you're sitting. I love to look around when the bus is driving, you know, to see things through the window or to just look straight through the windscreen so I can see, you know, where I'm going or whatever. So I wasn't really focused on what was happening beside me, right? So I was there sitting and looking straight ahead, and it was about 5 minutes since I took the seat, right? Yeah, because I got on the bus at Harborview Square, and then the bus was going on to St. Benedict's. You don't know, it's at 97, so it's on the Bull Bay side. I lived in Bull Bay at the time. So the bus was going on, you know, and I'm looking through the windscreen chilling, and then all of a sudden, from that, because my field of vision is very wide, I can see clearly to the side even if I'm not looking to the side. So I could see the person taking out a wrapped banana and eating it. So I'm like, wait, what? So I'm like, what is this person doing? So I never know if it was male or female. I don't know, guys. I don't know who it was. I never looked at the person. I just took the seat. So while I was there sitting and I saw the person take out the banana, now naturally you're going to want to see what the hell them I do, because I swear you could see the flies following the banana. It was full brown, and I never seen anybody eat a full brown banana. So I'm there like, yo, what is? So I look across now at the person sitting beside me. My arm was faint, like I thought I was going to pass the hell out. Guys, guess who I sit down beside? Me literally sit down beside a madman. How the man reached on the bus, I don't know. I don't know how he got onto the bus. I don't know who let him on, but obviously he paid his fare and came onto the bus. Everybody in the seat vacant, you know, but me see the empty seat, no. And I swore, you know, like I just wanted a seat, guys. I just desperately wanted to sit. I was tired. So when the man took out the banana now and I looked across at him and I saw who I was sitting beside, I never know what I froze. I didn't know if I could get up. I didn't know if it was going to grab me. I did not know. So I sat there, and luckily couple minutes after he ate his banana and I got on the bus and whatever, when they got to St. Benedict's, which was pretty close by Harborview Primary, when they got there, it was his stop apparently, so he was getting off. Jesus, the guy funky, I mean rags, everything rip up, him funky, flyer follow him. This guy was a madman. I don't know how he got onto the bus or whatever, but he got up and he came off like a regular person, because him get to him stop, him come off, and then everybody started laughing at me. Everybody was laughing at me, looking at me, pointing at me like, yeah man, you're gonna sit down in that seat. Guys, I was so embarrassed. Even though I was like probably 8 or 9 at the time, I was so embarrassed. Everybody was pointing and laughing and jeering me. I was like, shit, what did I do? Like, I just wanted to sit down. God, like everybody was laughing. Adults, other children, everybody was just pointing and laughing at me, guys. And to this day, I've had other embarrassing moments, but nothing came close to that day on the JUTC bus. Nothing came close to that day at all. I was so embarrassed, it wasn't even funny. To this day now, like when I remember now, I really laugh because it's just so funny to me, looking back and saying, damn it, like I was so naive. Like I was really naive, guys. It's not even funny, but like looking at it now, I would laugh over that joke there all day, because I'm like, shit, damn, like the good old days. I don't think I ever told this to anybody. I probably told it to, like, I never told my parents. I think I only told a couple friends or something. I don't think I ever told my parents or anybody. but I'm telling it to you guys today. So that was my little short story time, my most embarrassing moment ever. I've had embarrassing moments since then, but nothing topped this. Even being an adult, having embarrassing moments like now, nothing topped that moment on the JUTC bus with the madman beside me, and I don't know I'm sitting beside this man. I was so embarrassed, guys. So that's my little story time. I hope you guys had fun listening to my little rant or my little story or whatever. If you guys have any other requests that you want me to make, let me know what you guys think of that little story time in the comment section below, guys. Thanks so much for subscribing to me once again. Stay tuned, great videos coming your way. I changed my schedule, so I now make videos every Monday and Friday, 2 videos a week instead of 3. Alright, because I realize that you guys aren't catching up fast enough. So I'm giving you time so you can get to watch the videos and get to enjoy yourself. And if you guys want more Jamaican realness and more Jamaican craziness, then keep on following me, subscribe to me, and you won't miss a single video. Oh, turn on your post notification bell as well, guys, so you don't miss anything and no videos will pass you. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.